So you already know how to post-process resin prints on the cheap. This week we're talking about how to do it in style. We are using the Anycubic Wash and Cure. Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. So if you caught my last couple of episodes, you would have seen the 3D printed tree that I did. But I liked it so much that I'm doing up some more of it, and I thought that it would be a good opportunity to show you how I clean a 3D print with the Anycubic Photon S Wash and Cure. So as you can see, I have the older version of the Anycubic Wash and Cure. This one actually has the motorized lift that raises and lowers the print out of the alcohol vat. I like this model an awful lot. I don't know if it's still available, but I do know Anycubic is coming out with a much cheaper version of this product, and I think it's actually available for pre-order right now. So we'll start by putting in our alcohol vat into the wash and cure unit. Now I keep my vat filled to the max line, and you can reuse this alcohol for quite a bit before you need to change it. Now that the platform is raised all the way up, I'll go grab my 3D print off of my Anycubic Photon S and get started with the cleaning process. Now the 3D print slides into a bracket on the wash and cure unit, and the same screw knob that holds it on your printer will attach it to the wash and cure unit. Now it hangs upside down just like it prints upside down, and I have set this to a 6-minute wash cycle. Once I hit play, the machine automatically lowers the print into the vat and the wash cycle begins. It will spin for 3 minutes in one direction and then reverse for the final 3 minutes, and when it's done, it will automatically lift the cleaned print out of the resin vat. Now an important next step that I'm often guilty of skipping is to allow the print a chance to air dry. Ideally this should be between 15 and 30 minutes so that all of the alcohol has a chance to evaporate off of the print. If you have a fan, that'll help speed things along a little bit, but you definitely don't want to cure this until the alcohol has a chance to dry off of it. Now we'll be using a large putty knife to get this off of the build plate. I've found that a flexible putty knife does a really nice job. I started out using little bladed scrapers, but I found for larger prints they just didn't cut it. So I've taken to using just a workforce 6-inch flexible putty knife. With the print removed from the build plate, we can switch the wash and cure machine over to its cure mode. So we will select cure on the settings and change it to a 6-minute cycle just like we did with the wash mode, and then the acrylic round disc will go in along with the print. Now this will spin at a much slower speed than the wash cycle did, and the UV lights, as you can see, will kick on to dry the resin and firm up the print. Now I've been really happy with this purchase from Anycubic. It has made working with 3D printed resin pieces so much more enjoyable. Taking prints, washing them by hand, and then taking them outside or using a small cure light just never gives the same results that this machine does, and I highly recommend it to anybody looking to get into 3D printing. Hey, if you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.